You guys good?
Good. Hey, get off my tummy. Daddy, look.
Oh, jeez.
You want to get all did you start it? You want to get all the slime out of your container. It doesn't matter what color you have. And then once you got it out, you can see you want to grab all the slime off of the cap too. If it's leaked like mine is leaked, you might want to get a new one. But I don't have any other slime, so I'm just using my leaked one, but never use leaked slime. And don't try this at home if you have leaked slime. Always use slime that is not leaked, like mine is. So, if you wanna wrap it around your hand, you're gonna tape it, and then overnight, you're going to put glitter on it and leave it on your hand, and it'll stick to the pillow. And then in the morning when you wake up, it'll be gone. But don't try it at home, okay? Because I will try this and you will see it for part 2.
Okay,
So
let's go.
No, Kyle. Anyway, so
see you in
you
slime
wanna-
interview
you-
part 2.